Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and I believe that every woman needs a good hobo or bucket bag in their life. And this one from FOXLOVER is exceptional because it's made of 100% leather and it's 100% adjustable. So this bag is perfect if you're short or if you're tall because you can adjust it to your desired length. So I love the fact that it's a really minimalistic design. I love the fact it's just really clean lines, really simple, really classic. And if you do want to adjust the strap, it's super easy to do so. And you just have to turn this little gold nozzle here and it pops out of the actual strap, and then you can just simply insert it into the desired length and turn it again, which locks it. I love this feature so much because you can use this bag crossbody or just simply over one shoulder based on your preference. I find that extremely comfortable either way, and I love the fact that this bag holds so much. It even holds my iPad mini, and it has compartments for everything. So basically when you open the bag, which is closed by a magnetic snap here, which is really nice for safety, you can see it's divided into two main compartments on either side, and in the middle you have a zippered compartment which contains a little pouch and as well another little zippered compartment, which is perfect for car keys or credit cards, whatever. I just love the fact that there's a place for everything, especially if you're like me, you just throw things in your bag without looking. I feel like this bag is so chic. I have worn it with a dress. I think it looks super dressy, but as well, it has that rustic feel that's perfect for jeans, a more casual laid back look. This is the perfect bag for anyone out there. I personally love this color. I think it's perfect for fall. I think you'll love it as well, but that's just my point of view.